Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new to my channel, these PR mailers are a little bit different to my usual unboxings. What you're about to see in this video is me unboxing packages that brands have sent out to me. Sometimes they're just sent out of the blue, sometimes they have messaged me to say, oh hi Claire, we'd love to send you something in the post, would that be okay? And that is it. There's no contract involved. I don't have to do dedicated videos promoting their products. I don't have to do anything like that. It's just where they kindly send me the products in the hope that I try them, and if I like them, and then obviously I'm going to talk to you about them. My channel is mainly based on beauty, and I do a lot of beauty unboxings. It's nice actually when I'm unboxing boxes, if I've tried products before, that I can give you more information about them and whether I like them or not and how they sit on my skin and things like that. So I really do appreciate the fact that I am on a couple of brands' PR lists, and it's all thanks to you lot obviously watching and subscribing to my channel. So in these videos I do a little mini unboxing which showing you what they sent me. Sometimes I have quite a lot to go through. I believe the last one I had, there was quite a few different boxes I went through. This month I've got 3 that I want to share with you. So starting off then with the Body Shop. This was sent to me a couple of days ago on Blue Monday and it's such a nice treat. So inside they've given me a card. It says, hey Claire, Happy New Year, no Blue Monday over here. I hope you love your new goodies. I got a body butter. This is the almond milk for dry sensitive skin. It's 96-hour nourishing moisture and there's 200 mils here. I absolutely adore the body butters. They're just so luxurious. Oh, look at it. Hold on. Look at that. Every time I open them, I just want to sink my fingers in there. They're just, oh, it smells amazing too. Yeah, I do really like them. And they sent me a vitamin C glow revealing tonic. It's enriched with AHA and enzymes to illuminate uneven. I haven't tried this. It's 150 mils there. What's it say on the back then? Enriched with a combination of natural origin vitamin C, lactic acid and papaya enzymes. This toner gently exfoliates to reveal more radiant, even looking skin. So there's that. Then I've got a vitamin E moisture day cream. And there's 50 mils here. And I believe they've just released a large version of this. Is it 100 mils? On their website. I think it's a new release. I haven't tried this one though. Lightweight facial moisturiser that leaves skin looking smooth and plumped with moisture, suitable for all skin types. Just smells nice and fresh and natural. Yeah. And then I have got here, which is really handy, it's tea tree oil. It's suitable for blemished skin, 20 mils there. Yep, brilliant. I am suffering with my skin over the last couple of months or so, and yeah, this will come in handy definitely. So thank you to the Body Shop. Then Garnier got in touch with me and they sent me this box, and I haven't opened it up yet. I haven't seen what's inside because I can't open it up and I didn't want to wreck the packaging before I did this video, so I haven't got a clue what's inside. That's what it looks like. Over 100 years of Garnier. What have I got? I've got a vitamin C cleanser and an SPF lotion. This is a brightening vitamin C cream cleanser for dull and uneven skin. It gently cleanses, hydrates and boosts glow. It protects skin barrier, pH neutral to skin, microbiome friendly and dermatologically tested in a recycled bottle. It's a really nice size, 250 mils. I love the design of this bottle. It's really nice. Brand new. It's launching on the 21st of this month and it retails for £9.99. You can buy it from Boots, Amazon, the Hut Group, like Look Fantastic, and Ocado. Oh, it smells really nice. It just smells of nice and freshness. I love it. It gets rid of my pigmentation, it brightens my skin. I love it. And this, I cannot wait to give this a go. This is vitamin C daily UV brightening fluid. It's got SPF 50 plus, anti-dark spot as well. These Garnier products are cruelty free, and yeah, I love it. Okay, I got confused. This just said it's launching in January, but this one actually has a date. It's launching on the 9th, so it is already available in Boots, Amazon, Superdrug and Sainsbury's. They're releasing 2. Got the Invisible, which is what I've got. It contains peptides known to smooth skin and hyaluronic acid to hydrate with an invisible lightweight formula. It's non-greasy, non-sticky for all skin types, and it doesn't leave any white traces. And then you've got the glow then. It contains mineral pigments for instant radiance and glow in a sheer glow lightweight fluid. And they both retail for £12.99. So that's the glow there. Oh, how exciting is that? Thank you so much to Garnier for sending these out to me. And then lastly, I've got a little box from Ren Clean Skincare. I've got their iconic toner. This is AHA and BHA liquid exfoliant. There's one sold every minute. Over 10,000 5-star reviews. It contains AHA, which smooths and brightens skin by dissolving dead skin cells, and BHA, tightens pores by exfoliating excess sebum, and they recommend you use it at night. I've used this many times. I've had different sizes in different beauty boxes, which come in handy as well. It also contains azelaic acid, which is so good if you've got blemished skin. It helps to brighten the skin as well. So yeah, it is a good one. It's Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and there's 250 mils there. So yeah, so thank you for Ren Clean Skincare for sending that out to me. Those are my PR mailers for January. If you've tried any of these products before, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Although saying that, the Garnier ones have only just been released. But if you've managed to nab them already, then I'd love to hear what you think of them. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.